Salutations, everyone. This is Tiffany Monique, the Lifestylist, and I have a message hailing from above. Be wise about your positioning right now. It's your birthright to conquer lower nature. You will conquer, you will win, and you will thrive. All you need to do is engage self-love, mental hygiene, emotional intelligence, and divine consciousness. If you need assistance, you can email me at hailingfromabove.com under contact us, or you can email me personally at Tiffany Monique at hailingfromabove, or you can reach out to